Hey, welcome back friends, welcome back. This is Tech Boy Saikiran. In this video, we're gonna see the MySQL installation process in the Linux Mint operating system. So further, without wasting any time, you need to have the perfect internet speed and Linux Mint operating system in the virtual box. If anyone haven't watched the Linux Mint installation process, go through the description. There's a links in the description and just click on the video and watch the entire video without skipping. If any doubts, comment me in the comment section. So as you can see, this is the installation process. Okay, why to waste the time? Without wasting any time, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and get notified. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, just open your terminal here and just type sudo apt-get update and click enter. And before that, you need to have the good internet speed which makes to download all the packages of the MySQL. So it takes some time to install all the packages of MySQL. See, for example, if you have not any internet good internet speed, it's unable to download the packages. So the next command here is sudo apt-get install mysql server. So as you can see, this after this operation 155 MB of additional disk space will be used. Just click Y and click enter. This is the actual installation process of MySQL. Before, the previous command is to update the system. Before any system, any whatever it is, whether it is a Kali Linux or Linux Mint, before installing not only MySQL, any of the packages, before installing any of the packages, you need to just update the system packages and just go through the command through which we can download all the packages of specified software. So as you can see, the installation process has completed. Now the third and the final command is mysql. Just type sorry just type sudo mysql -u root. Just click enter and it will ask you the password of the Linux Mint. So as you can see here, MySQL database has been opened. Now you can run show databases. So this is the installation process, friends. So subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and share. Don't forget to like the video and comment me in the comment section without wasting any time.